In this section, we will discuss about text and modifiers. Text takes a string and returns a view that displays text on the screen. The text has multiple initializers. Previously, we have seen text with string initializer. Now, let's see text with date and style initializer. It creates a text view that represents date or time. Look at the example. The frame modifier. The frame modifier can create a fixed or flexible sized frame for the view. It has width, height, and alignment. Background. Background color of text. You can do something like border color. It assigns a border to the view. Border has border color and width. You can also add opacity to it. Italic. To make the text italic, just call italic method. Strikethrough Modifier. This modifier is used to set the strikethrough style for the text. It draws a line through the text. We can specify a color for the strikethrough line by passing the color parameter. We can also apply a line dash pattern to the strikethrough lines. Strikethrough pattern solid dot dash dot dash dot dot etc. Underline modifier. This modifier underline the text. We can also specify a color for underline. The underline modifier also supports line dash pattern. Minimum scale factor modifier. We can reduce the text size to minimum percentage of its original font size using the minimum scale factor modifier. This modifier takes a float parameter. This modifier is applied when the text does not have enough space to show the full text. This value ranges from 0.01 to 1. Baseline offset modifier. When two or more text controls with different styles are combined, they are drawn at the same baseline. We can change the baseline for the text by specifying the baseline offset modifier. Displaying Markdown text. SwiftUI has a built-in support for rendering Markdown, including bold, italic, links and more. To use Markdown for rendering text, all you need to do is to specify the text in Markdown. The text control automatically renders the text for you. To text the hyperlinks, you have to run the application in simulator. When you tap on the link, iOS will redirect to the mobile Safari and open the URL.